Hello students, hope you all are fine and studying regularly at home. Children, today we all have all the facilities due to advancement of technology. But have you ever thought how people survived before this technology? Today we are going to study about all this in the second chapter of history, which is from hunting gathering to growing food. Now students, the earliest people lived in the subcontinent about 2 million years ago. These people are regarded as hunter gatherers. These people used to move from one place to another not because they liked to move but for the sake of their natural reasons. Now, what were these natural reasons? Their search for food and living conditions drive them to move from one place to another. Secondly, animals moved from one place to another, so to protect themselves from these wild animals was also one of the root causes of why they kept moving, right? And many a times these people hunted animals, and in order to do hunting they had to follow the movements of animals. Thirdly, plants and trees bear fruits in different seasons. So, people moved to search different kinds of plants in different seasons. Recall the first reason? I told you that their search for food led them to travel from one place to another. But is this the only thing a person needs to survive? Obviously not. We also need water to survive. So people needed to move for their search of water, and this was fourth reason. Now children, many of you must be thinking that how do we know about these people who lived so long ago? We were not even present time. So let me answer your question. There are people who are known as archaeologists who study about ancient things. Archaeologists have found some of the things used by hunter-gatherers. It is evident with these things that people made and used tools made up of stones, wood and bone. Out of all these, tools made up of stones worked and survived best. Now a question must be arising in your mind that what did they do of these tools? These tools, mainly of stone, were used to cut meat and bone, scraped barks from trees and hides, which is animal skin, chop fruits and roots. Some of these also had handles of bone or wood attached with them. Wood and bones were used to make arrows and spears for hunting. Other tools were also used to chop wood, which can be used for firewood and for making huts and tools.